My name is Strauf. I'm from Gaborone. I am the owner of Matebeleng Milling. The company was established in 2008 and it has been growing significantly since. Matebeleng Milling is fully licensed by the government of Botswana. Environmental sustainability is key to our success. We source our devil's claw from Kalahari Desert in Botswana. During our last season, we bought devil's claw from 25 villages, supporting over 1,000 households. This means at least 5,000 people have been benefiting from our community programs.
Today the community sold 4 tons of devil's claw to Matebeleng Milling. Today 155 people participated. These are the harvesters of grapple.
What really motivates us is that at least 85% of the harvesters are women. And our programs really make difference with the communities we are working with. Last season, we exported over 30,000 kilograms of devil's claw. Our main markets are Germany, France, and South Africa, and we are expanding. It is mainly used for homeopathic products.
Tiro ya me ke go baakanya sengapadi le gore se nne sekolo tlo se rekisiwa go mahatsheng a seng.
Matebeleng Milling is a woman-owned business. As a woman, I'm very proud of what we have accomplished. It's very rewarding to improve the lives of so many people.
Ah!